going to show you where you can make money online at home if you don't have money to start and you don't have to show your face. 100% free and 100% legit. Please like this video, save this video, and follow me for more sites like this. First, you're gonna go to clickbank.com and you can sign up for free. Once you sign in, you're gonna go to affiliate marketplace. See all the different niches with available products. So for this example, I'm gonna pick health and fitness. And you'll see this offers here. This is high performing niche. So once you are here, you're gonna sort by high to low gravity score. You want to see high gravity score and high conversion. This number is what you will get paid when somebody purchases the product through your link. And most important is not to have gravity score lower than 20. For this example, I'm gonna pick out the smoothie diet 21-day challenge, promote here. And you'll get your affiliate link here. Title your hop link or affiliate link to track results and create a hop link here. You will see it will generate a link for you. Next up, you're gonna go to pexels.com, which is royalty-free website. You can find here stock images and videos for all of your content. Now go to the Pinterest and create a pin. You can select a smoothie image. Make sure you are using a title and keywords for search optimization. You can go back to your affiliate page for more information about this product. They are giving 75% commission. Don't forget to add your hop link or affiliate link over here. Once your pin is ready, then you're gonna create save. Anytime anybody will purchase through your link, then you'll get paid. Now that's called affiliate marketing or digital marketing. And it's where you get paid by promoting other products or services without actually having a product or dealing with any services or customer. If you want to learn this skill, how I made this as a business, then click the link in my page or comment down below or DM me. I will get back to you how to get started.